Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. I am Jessica, and I am very happy to have you here with me today. In this lesson, we are going to learn something extremely useful for your everyday English. Our topic today is Daily English Vocabulary, 100 Essential Words. If you are learning English and sometimes feel that you know grammar but you do not know enough words to express yourself, this lesson is perfect for you. Vocabulary is one of the most important parts of learning a language because words help you understand conversations, speak clearly, read more easily, and express your thoughts with confidence. Today, we are going to learn 100 essential English words that you can use in daily life. I will explain each word in simple English, give you an easy example, and help you understand how the word can be used naturally. You do not need to memorize all 100 words in one day. Listen carefully, repeat the words with me, and try to use them in your own sentences. If you are a beginner, do not worry. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, understand, and practice. So take a deep breath, relax, and let us begin our English vocabulary journey together. Word number 1 is achieve. Achieve means to successfully reach a goal or complete something that you worked for. For example, you can achieve your English learning goal by practicing every day. When you achieve something, you feel proud because your hard work has produced a result. Try to repeat this sentence with me. I want to achieve my goals. Remember, achieve is often connected with effort, success, and goals. Word number 2 is improve. Improve means to become better or to make something better. If you practice English every day, your speaking skills will improve. You can improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, listening, and confidence. Here is a simple sentence. I want to improve my English. This is a very useful sentence for English learners, so say it. Never feel embarrassed when you do not understand something. Asking questions is part of learning. Word number 4 is remember. Remember means to keep something in your mind or not forget something. For example, remember to practice English every day. You can also say, I remember your name. When you learn new vocabulary, try to remember the word by using it in a sentence. Word number 5 is forget. Forget means to fail to remember something. For example, I sometimes forget new English words. This is completely normal when learning a language. Do not become frustrated if you forget a word. Learn it again, use it again, and eventually it will stay in your memory. Word number 6 is learn. Learn means to gain knowledge or a skill. Every day, you can learn something new. You can learn English, learn a new word, learn a new expression, or learn something about another culture. Here is a simple sentence. I learn English every day. Say it with me. I learn English every day. Word number 7 is practice. Practice means to do something repeatedly so that you become better at it. If you want to speak English confidently, you need to practice speaking. If you want better pronunciation, practice pronunciation. If you want better listening skills, practice listening. Remember this important idea. Practice makes progress. Word number 8 is speak. Speak means to talk or use your voice to communicate. For example, I speak English every day. You can ask someone, do you speak English? Speaking is one of the most important skills for language learners. Do not wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking with the English you know. Word number 9 is listen. Listen means to pay attention to sounds or what someone is saying. For example, listen carefully to this lesson. Listening is extremely important because it helps you understand natural English. When you listen to English regularly, your brain becomes more familiar with pronunciation, rhythm, and common expressions. Word number 10 is answer. Answer means to respond to a question. For example, please answer my question. When someone asks you something in English, you can give an answer. Here is a simple example. What is your name? My answer is Jessica. Now you can practice by answering simple English questions in your mind. Word number 11 is ask. Ask means to say something when you want information or help. For example, I want to ask you a question. You can ask for directions, ask for help, ask about a price, or ask someone about their day. Asking questions is an important part of communication. Word number 12 is help. Help means to give someone support. For example, can you help me? This is one of the most useful English questions. You can also say, I can help you. When someone is having difficulty, offering help is a kind and useful thing to do. Word number 13 is need. Need means that something is necessary for you. For example, I need some water. I need more time. I need to practice English. Need is a very common word in daily conversations, so make sure you practice it often. Word number 14 is want. Want means to desire something. For example, I want to learn English. I want some coffee. I want to visit New York. Want is another very common word that you can use in many everyday situations. Word number 15 is like. Like means to enjoy something or have a positive feeling about it. For example, I like English. I like coffee. I like watching movies. You can also ask someone, what do you like? This simple word is very useful when talking about hobbies, food, activities, and interests. Word number 16 is love. Love means to have a very strong positive feeling towards someone or something. For example, I love my family. I love learning English. I love beautiful music. Love is a powerful word, and you will hear it often in everyday conversations. Word number 17 is enjoy. Enjoy means to get pleasure from something. For example, I enjoy learning English. I enjoy listening to music. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Remember, learning English does not have to be stressful. Try to enjoy the process. Word number 18 is try. Try means to make an effort to do something. For example, try to speak English every day. Even if you make mistakes, keep trying. When you try something, you make an effort. This word is especially important for language learners because progress comes from trying again and again. Word number 19 is start. Start means to begin something. For example, I will start my English lesson now. You can start learning English today. You do not need to wait for the perfect time. Start with one word, one sentence, or one conversation. Word number 20 is finish. Finish means to complete something. For example, I finished my homework. I finished my English lesson. When you start something, try to finish it. Completing small tasks can give you motivation to continue learning. Word number 21 is work. Work means to do a job or activity that requires effort. For example, I work in an office. I work every day. You can also use work to talk about whether something functions correctly. For example, my computer does not work. Word number 22 is live. Live means to have your home in a particular place. For example, I live in the United States. I live with my family. You can ask someone, where do you live? This is a common question when meeting someone new. Word number 23 is stay. Stay means to remain in a place or continue in a situation. For example, I will stay at home tonight. You can also say, stay here, please. Stay is a very useful word when talking about travel, home, hotels, and daily activities. Word number 24 is go. Go means to move from one place to another. For example, I go to work every morning. I go to the store on Saturday. Go is one of the most common English verbs, and you will hear it everywhere. Word number 25 is come. Come means to move toward the speaker or toward a particular place. For example, come here, please. You can also say, my friend will come tomorrow. Go and come are very important words for daily communication. Word number 26 is bring. Bring means to take something with you to a place or person. For example, please bring your book. Bring some water with you. When someone asks you to bring something, they want you to have it with you when you arrive. Word number 27 is take. Take means to carry or move something from one place to another. For example, take your bag with you. You can also take a bus, take a taxi, or take a break. This small word has many useful meanings in English. Word number 28 is give. Give means to provide something to someone. For example, give me a minute, please. You can give someone a gift, give advice, give information, or give help. Here is a simple sentence. I want to give you some advice. Word number 29 is get. Get is an extremely common English word with many meanings. It can mean receive, obtain, become, or arrive depending on the sentence. For example, I get an email every morning. I need to get some food. I get tired after work. Because get has many meanings, learning it through examples is very helpful. Word number 30 is make. Make means to create, prepare, or produce something. For example, I make breakfast every morning. You can make a cake, make a plan, make a decision, or make a mistake. Make is another essential word that you will hear constantly. Word number 31 is use. Use means to do something with an object or method for a purpose. For example, I use my phone every day. You can use a dictionary to learn new words. Try to use your new vocabulary in real conversations. Word number 32 is find. Find means